It must be clear that the HCIP-Video Conference V2.0 certification exam was unavailable from August 10, 2023. The current version is HCIP-Collaboration V3.0. So, you must register for the H11861_V3.0 exam to earn this certification and promote your career. The H11-861_V3.0- ENU test questions, in English version, are available at QuestionsTube, providing you with the latest questions and answers to ensure you can pass the HCIP-Collaboration V3.0 certification exam. In this video, we will share the H11-861_V3.0- ENU free demo questions to help you check, and we would like to explain the questions in detail. John wants to configure two NAT mappings about SC on the firewall by referring to the figure below. Which of the following destination address translation methods should he use? A. One-to-one conversion between public network port and private network address. B. One-to-one conversion between public network port and private network port. C. One-to-one conversion between public network address and private network address. D. One-to-one conversion between public network address and private network address. Explanation. A one-to-one conversion between public network port and private network address. This option suggests mapping a public network port to a private network address. However, for SC, it's typically the source address that's translated, not the destination address. B. One-to-one conversion between public network port and private network port. This option suggests mapping a public network port to a private network port. This could be used for port forwarding or static NAT, but it doesn't directly address the source address translation needed for SC. C. One-to-one conversion between public network address and private network address. This option suggests mapping a public network address to a private network address. While this could work for SC, it's generally used for traditional NAT where all traffic from a private network is translated to a single public IP address. D. One-to-one conversion between public network address and private network address. This option suggests mapping a public network address to a private network address. This is the correct method for performing source address translation, which is typically what is needed for SC. Therefore, the correct answer is D. One-to-one conversion between public network address and private network address. 2. ROS is carried on the UDP layer. The port number can be configured on the MCU. What is the default source port number? A. 1725. B. 1729. C. 1719. D. 1720. Explanation. In the context of Huawei's video conferencing solutions and the H.323 protocol suite, RAS, registration, admission, and status messages are indeed carried over UDP, User Datagram Protocol. These messages are crucial for endpoint registration, call admission control, and monitoring call status within an H.323-based communication environment. The default source port number for ROS messages is 1719. Therefore, the correct answer is C. 1719. 3. Which of the following concurrent recordings does RSE 8800 support? A. Channel 4K30 single stream. B. Channel 4K30 single stream. CH channel 8K30 single stream. DH channel 4K30 dual stream. The RSE8800 is a component of Huawei's collaboration solutions, particularly in the realm of video conferencing. When it comes to concurrent recordings, it's essential to understand the capabilities of the device. A 8-channel 4K30 single stream. This means the device can record 8 channels of 4K video at 30 frames per second, all in a single stream. B4 channel 4K30 single stream. This option indicates the device can record 4 channels of 4K video at 30 frames per second, again in a single stream. CH channel 8K30 single stream. Here, the device can record 8 channels of 8K video at 30 frames per second, still in a single stream. DH channel 4K30 dual stream. This means the device can record 8 channels of 4K video at 30 frames per second, but with dual streams. Generally, it's important to note that while the device might be able to support certain resolutions and frame rates, the number of concurrent recordings it can handle simultaneously is crucial. Given the options, the most suitable answer seems to be DH channel 4K30 dual stream. This is because it specifies both the number of channels, 8, and the resolution, 4K, along with the method of streaming, dual stream, indicating the device's ability to handle multiple recordings concurrently at a specific quality. 4. Which of the following does the role of the RTCP protocol include? A. Call signaling. B. Transmission control. C. Capability set. D. Stream transmission. A. Call signaling. Call signaling typically involves protocols like SIP, Session Initiation Protocol, or H323, which are responsible for establishing, modifying, and terminating multimedia sessions such as voice or video calls. RTCP, Real-Time Control Protocol, is not primarily responsible for call signaling. B. Transmission control. Transmission control is a broad term and could refer to various aspects of controlling data transmission, such as congestion control, error recovery, or flow control. While RTCP does provide feedback on the quality of media transmission, it is not directly involved in controlling the transmission process itself. C. Capability set. This refers to the set of capabilities or features supported by a system or device. RTCP does not deal with capability negotiation. It is mainly focused on providing control and feedback information for real-time media streams. D. Stream transmission. RTCP does not handle the actual transmission of media streams. Its primary role is to provide control data, such as quality feedback and synchronization information, for real-time media streams. Therefore, none of the options align directly with the role of the RTCP protocol. However, if I were to choose the option that is closest to RTCP's role, it would be D. Stream transmission. While RTCP itself doesn't directly handle stream transmission, it complements the RTP, Real-Time Transport Protocol, which is responsible for actual stream transmission. RTCP works alongside RTP to provide control information for the transmitted media streams, such as quality feedback and synchronization. So, in this context, option D could be considered the closest to RTCP's role, although it's not entirely accurate. 5. Which of the following does the function of RTP protocol include? A. Real-time media transmission. B. Conference control. C. Call control. D. Media control. Explanation. In the context of the real-time transport protocol, RTP, it's essential to understand its primary function and capabilities. RTP is primarily responsible for real-time media transmission, which includes the delivery of audio and video streams over IP networks. Therefore, the correct answer to the question would be A. Real-time media transmission. While RTP facilitates real-time media transmission, it doesn't handle conference control, call control, or media control directly. These functionalities are typically managed by other protocols or systems in collaboration environments. For example, call control might be handled by protocols like HCIP, Session Initiation Protocol. Conference control might involve protocols like HCIP or H323. And media control could be managed by protocols like RTCP, RTP Control Protocol, or through application layer control mechanisms. However, RTP itself focuses on the efficient and timely delivery of media streams.